In this tutorial we will show you the step-by-step process of removing duplicate emails from email accounts, using the Recovery Tools Email Duplicate Remover. To install our Duplicate Remover tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, select the email source from the available email platforms. Now, enter your IMAP server login credentials. Then, enter the IMAP host and IMAP port number. Click the Login button to proceed. Select the folders to scan using the checkboxes in the left panel. Our tool provides filter options to precise the removal process. Check on Use Advanced Settings for filter saving options. Here user can see multiple export options to specify the removal process, such as date range, from, to, subject, exclude empty folders, and others. Our tool offers two options to search duplicate emails within the folders or across the folders. Go back to Backup option. Next, simply click the Remove button. A pop-up appears on the screen to confirm that duplicate emails will be moved to the Duplicates Found folder instead of being deleted. Click Yes to proceed, and the removal process will begin. Once the conversion is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the removal was successful. Click OK, and open the email account to check the output. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.